I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. It was another chilly start to our day across central Indiana with temperatures in the 30s, but we are going to warm up quite nicely throughout the day today, eventually into the 60s, and that will make us warmer than it was yesterday. Here we are, high temperatures for Monday in the afternoon, got up to 56 in Indianapolis as well as Lafayette. 58 was the high temperature in Terre Haute. We'll add about 5 to 7 degrees to these numbers throughout the day today, so it's going to turn into a pretty nice afternoon. The only little flaw in the forecast, well, that will be a gusty wind that will develop out of the south as we go into the afternoon hours, and that wind could gust up to about 20 miles per hour at times. But other than that, we have lots of sunshine in the forecast for the day today. But overnight tonight, a weak little cold front is going to come through, and as this front comes through, there certainly will be clouds in the forecast for everybody, but some of you may see a few isolated showers as well. There's not a lot of moisture with that front. We'll talk more about that in just a second, but let's enjoy today first. Look at all this sunshine that we'll have as we go into the 8 o'clock hour. There'll be a little more in the way of cloud cover, but your temperature gets up to a high of 63 degrees this afternoon. That's still about 5 degrees below normal, but with the sunshine, it won't feel all that bad. But again, there are those winds gusting up to about 20 miles per hour at times, and you'll certainly notice that as that front starts to approach. So out ahead of this front, as it approaches Indianapolis, we will see the winds become a little more gustily, but since they're out of the south, it will be a warmer wind, and you notice along this front there's not a whole lot in the way of moisture, so we're not looking at a lot of rainfall by any means. So we'll show you the timeline of what's going to happen throughout the day today. Here we are throughout the afternoon hours, lots of sunshine. We go into the evening at 8 o'clock, still dealing with mainly clear skies. This is just going to be a very thin band of clouds and showers right along that front, and will quickly move through. So by 2 o'clock, we're dealing with the clouds. The showers quickly race through, and by the time we get to 7 o'clock in the morning, they're already off to the east. Maybe a few clouds linger for your Wednesday morning commute, but all in all, Wednesday will turn into a pretty decent day. Any of these showers will be very light, probably less than 1/10 of an inch for everybody here across central Indiana. And then Wednesday, partly cloudy skies. Today, lots of sunshine up into the 50s and 60s, depending on where you are. The cooler temperatures are to the north. And here's your 7-day planning forecast. Tomorrow, behind that front, it is much cooler with a high of only 53 degrees, but it does turn partly sunny. Back into the 60s for Thursday and Friday, then we're all the way up into the 70s for Saturday and Sunday. On Sunday, though, we may have to deal with some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms.